Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a new system that I'm adding into my planner. I shared with you guys in a previous video the tracker that I added in for just my monthly daily tasks that I have that I want to be able to track and see at a glance. So I'll have that video linked for you guys to check out. But I wanted to go ahead and add in a meal prep system to my planner. So the planner that I use is this half-letter Discbound system. And I was thinking about getting a completely different planner to be able to write in my meals, and I realized I don't need all that. I just need something where I can write in my meals for the week and also my grocery list. So I thought about when people laminate their sheets, how they use it for trackers. They laminate different things in their planner so that they can write on it and then erase it and continue to use it throughout their planner. So this is another form of a tracker. This is just not a permanent tracker. While this foundation, the page might be permanent and you're moving it from week to week, the information on it is not, as you have that flexibility to change it, which I love. I also wanted to go ahead and do mine on a smaller scale. So this card right here, this is actually a 5x7 self-laminating sheet. You can get self-laminating sheets on Amazon. I'll have some options linked below, or you can of course use a laminator. I'm using what I have in my stash, and this is what I have. But I also think that this size might work well for me because I don't necessarily want to hole punch it into my planner. I'd also be able to slip it right here in the front pocket, and I'd be able to take this with me on the go, slide it in my purse, and reference it as I'm out and about grocery shopping and looking at my meals. So also another thing that I could do is to take a picture on my phone, which of course, duh, you could just make a list in your phone. Some things I need to write down, and when I'm mapping out my week, writing everything out and getting it out of my head works best. And then if I do need to put things in my phone in reference, I always have notes on notes on notes in my phone. So I do use my phone, just not as a planner. I use it more of like a notebook and just specifically the notes section. So that is that. I'm going to give this self-laminating sheet a try. I have used these in the past. You can hole punch these, the ones from Dollar Tree. They are thin enough to get a hole punch through. So I'm going to start off with this scrapbook paper, and I'm going to fold it in half. Well, I'm actually going to fold it right about, I already cut a 12x12 piece in half, and now I'm about to fold this. This would make more sense to do it this way. I'm going to fold this, and now that I have that little line, I'm actually going to bring it back a little bit, because with these self-laminating sheets, you have to be able to close it in, and I don't want to have anything hanging out. I want to be able to close it around on all four corners. So I'm not using a paper trimmer for this. I'm showing you guys how I'm doing this. No paper trimmer. I am going to use some scissors though, just to clean it up a little bit, the edges. All right. Just to get that white part off there. All right, now I'm just gonna put this inside of the self-laminating sheet and see how it is, and it is perfect. So now that I have this, I'm gonna go ahead and make the other side. I want it to be uniform, and for this I'm going to use double stick tape and then just cut the excess paper. Usually I fold it. This time I did not. But usually when I'm making my dividers or anything, dashboards, inserts, and I'm using scrapbook paper, I literally just fold the paper so I can have it on both sides. All right. So there's the double stick tape. And I'm going to take the good corner and just line it up. All right. Ooh, that turned out better than I expected. So that's good. So here is my foundation for this. All right. Now I'm going to pull in some stickers. The stickers that I have are these household stickers from the household sticker book. And then I also have the food sticker book. Both of those are Happy Planner. Now this is a little bit smaller, so I don't know if the sticker that I want to put here is going to fit. We're going to see. If not, I could cut it. Again, we will see. So I know that there's tracker stickers in here. Yeah, the weekly menu. I might get lucky. Ooh, I might get lucky. And what I will do is I'm going to snip the sticker here. And I'm going to cut it to Monday. Ooh, that was a good cut. All right. I'm going to put this at the top here. Please fit. That is perfect. And I can just cut that part off right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put weekly menu. Do I want to put it here on the side? Do I want to put it over here in the corner? I think I'm just going to lay it right there. And then down here, I'm going to cut the bottom part of that sticker. And usually what I'm writing in is going to be what I'm having for dinner. I don't really think I need to track breakfast and lunch. I really don't eat breakfast, but I'm trying to get better at it. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. But I really don't eat that. But I'm going to put like chicken or soup. I know for this first week that I'm doing this is going to be a lot of soup because I had that prepped. So that's that. This is that side. I don't know what else I'm going to add at the moment. But then on the back, what I want to go ahead and do is add in a grocery list. And I love this one. But then I'm thinking, do I want to have something like this? Is it like too small? It could be. I don't know. Let's see what other options. Because they do have this huge grocery shop sticker. But even with this, what I could do is write it in. And if I need to go, it's kind of like the other checklist I have. I don't have anything really, really huge to write in. So I'm thinking that I'm just going to go with this. And I'm going to go ahead and use this one because it goes more with the color scheme here. So here is the grocery list. Let's try to line this up as straight as we can. Alright, so there's the grocery list. And then I'm just going to pop this little grocery shop sticker on the bottom. And then I'm also going to pull in the meal plan sticker that I just saw. Where did I see that thing? Somewhere here. I really like this household sticker book because it had a little bit of everything. It had some cleaning, you know, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And these are also good to add into my, oh, that ain't gonna work because it's too dark. It's also good to add into my, actual spread for the week. I thought there was a meal plan one. I think it's because I'm looking for it. I can't find it. That's okay. I don't really know how else I would decorate this. And another thing I could have did was that if I wanted to have this part decorated, I'm thinking about this in hindsight, I could have left the back blank and then just wrote in my grocery list and just put grocery shop. Ooh, I'm thinking about that now. I'm thinking about that now, and I think that that might be my better option. So I'm just going to put this back into the sticker book, and I'm going to keep this side blank and just have grocery shop on it. Okay, so here is the finished product. Again, I just used the sticker, put weekly menu here, and then I left a blank canvas on the back for me to write in my grocery list. So now it is time to self-laminate this bad boy. Of course, if you have a laminator, you should be good to go. So I'm going to line this up at the top. And I have a card here that should be helpful. And now I'm going to go ahead and peel this up a little bit, just a smidge, and use the card to start pushing this down like so. So the sides are all in on both sides, so that's good. Top's a little dusty, but that's all right. So this is what will be going into my planner. And then on the back, we have this blank space for my grocery list. So they say to use Sharpie. Let me just try to seal this at the bottom. Make sure that that's closed, which it now is. So they say to use Sharpie. You can use Sharpie for this. What else do they say? White erase markers. I'm going to try a Sharpie pen. And then I'm going to try erasing it and see if that will work. So I have my Sharpie to test it out. So let's see. I'm going to write in turkey, salmon, plus veggies, and a Caesar salad. So that is that. As you can see, I'm rubbing my hand over it and it's not smudging. And to get it off, nail polish remover and a cotton round, and it's gone just like that. And then I just get a dry one and wipe it off. I know that this concept is not revolutionary of the laminating things for your planner, but I really wanted to give this a try in my personal planner. And I love, again, sharing with you guys what's in the planner community, but also my own planner system. So this is going to be great to add into my planner. And when I set up my planner, you guys will be seeing this, and I'll let you know if it's holding up, how's it going. Again, you could use self-laminating sheets, a laminator. This I just happen to have in my stash, and this is from Dollar Tree. I'll have options and all that linked in the description box for you to check out. But this is my little meal prep station that I have here. Again, I'm not fully committed to this, so if I don't end up using it, it didn't take me a lot of time and it didn't cost me anything. I didn't go get a new planner. This is just literally what I decided to add to my planner for the moment. So I'm hoping it all works out. I'm hoping that I can stick with it. This plus the other trackers that I shared in my other video of my fitness and all that. I hope that I can just stay on track because, you know, just trying to stay, you know, stay on track in 2020, hold myself accountable. That's one of my things, accountability. So I'm holding myself to that. But this is going to be really, really good for me to just, when I'm grocery shopping, I can reference this and I can, you know, not worry about it smudging in my hand. I don't really have to worry about none of that. So I like that I'm able to take this with me if I choose to, or, you know, add it to my phone, whatever works. We'll see. I'll let you guys know how that goes. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have products featured, as well as related videos, and of course the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.